Ajaba. That is a very rare Oriki for male children. It is rare not because there is anything wrong with the name, but because we have been disconnected from the meaning of the name. That explains why many people don't bear it, which is why it behooves me to do this breakdown. What is the meaning of Ajaba? You know, the Yoruba say that Ilé là ń wò ká tó sọmọ lórúkọ. It is an observation of the situations of a family that determine the name given to a child born into that family. Ilé là ń wò ká tó sọmọ lórúkọ. That is a saying that has made a name like Ajaba possible today. What does the name mean? There are two main words in that name, the verbs ja and ba. Ja means to fight, to contend for something, to be in strife, to quarrel, and every other related thing. Ba means to meet, to encounter. Who then is an Ajaba? The A that starts that name is a noun maker, which can simply be said to mean he who does what? He who we encounter while we were fighting. He who we met while fighting. That is an Ajaba. This is a child born during or after a quarrel between the parents. Àwọn òbí rẹ̀ ń jà lọ́wọ́ nígbà tí wọ́n bí. Àbí kó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jà tán kí wọ́n tó bí. Ọmọ tá a bá lásìkò ìjà. The situation of the house into which that child was born has been observed. And that is what led to the name given to the child. So when they look at that child, they will be reminded of how far they had come. They will be reminded of the joy the child brought to them, the fact that the child came to end a fight. The joy they felt when they had that child made them forget the sorrow of the fight they had been having before the child came. Ajaba, Wàá Ṣere.